Yo, what's good? Welcome to my first video of 2020. So I was thinking, what could I really do to make something cool for 2020? I've been stuck in this whole retro vibe lately, very retro 80s setup. So I was thinking, why not do a quick, simple 80s style Technicolor color grade? I did a video before showing you guys how to color grade, or the ways that I color grade. So I was thinking, why not just do something like this and just show you guys how to do it in Photoshop. So yeah, I thought it'd be a cool idea, especially if you guys want to do it for like some beach photos, make them very vintagey. Is that a word? Vintagey, vintage, I don't know, but make it very old school looking. So I'm pretty sure you guys are ready to learn this technique to see this video. So let's go ahead and do this. So this is probably gonna be one of the quickest tutorials I've probably ever done. It's only gonna last a couple minutes. So we're gonna use this photo here that I took in Miami Beach during swim week. I felt this will probably be like the best photo to really give that Technicolor feel. So we have our base image here. Let's go ahead and put these in a group so they don't distract us. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can either do it by turning this into a smart layer or by just using adjustment layers. Whichever one works for you, the path is the same. So I'm just gonna do regular adjustment layers just to save time. So we're gonna go to our channel mixer. And down here in our channel mixer is two simple steps. We're gonna turn our blues to 0 and our greens to 100. And there it is. We have our standard Technicolor look. Now this is just the base. You can stop here if you want, but there's an extra step that we can put in to kind of enhance it a little bit. So we're gonna go to selective color. And we're gonna leave pretty much most of these alone except our whites and our blacks. So we're just gonna click on our whites to start off. And with these, it's kind of to your liking. You kind of adjust it how you want. Personally, I would like a little bit more blue in my photo. So I increase my cyans. Let's drop our magentas a little bit to bring in some of that faded yellow color. See, boost our yellows a little bit. Should we drop them? Just a little. Our blacks. Let's drop it just a tad. Now let's go to our blacks. And play with these a little. See what the magenta does. There we go. Slide our yellow down. Actually, we can kill some of our blacks because you see how there's a lot of black points here that are disappearing. So let's definitely bring some of that back. This is the beauty about shooting raw. At most, I'll probably just add one more step. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. I'm gonna start a new layer. Go to image. Apply image. And we're gonna add a camera raw filter. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this into a smart layer first, so I can always go back and make more adjustments later if I need to. All right, so filter, camera raw filter. Generally, remember when you're adding filters, try to always do it on a smart layer, because if you don't like it, it saves you the extra step of having to control Z and a bunch of other unnecessary stuff when you can just click right on the filter itself in the layer and boom. It's super easy to fix. So now that we have our window up, let's go to our HSL Adjustments. We're gonna go to our saturation. We're gonna boost our aquas. Let's say about 70. We're gonna boost our blues. Oh, let's say 35. Let's see what that looks like. I'm a fan of that. I am a fan of that. Let's go to our luminance. Increase that a little bit. Just to make this a tad bit brighter. Gonna increase our exposure slightly. Just a hair. Increase our shadows. And I think that's perfect. I personally think this is perfect. And just for a little extra effect, a little bit of vignetting. Boost our feather. You don't want a harsh vignette. And I'm gonna do my basic detail adjustments. This is generally the last step that I do in any photo, but it just makes the photo that much better. Look at that. And then we have everything down here, so if I don't like it, I can always just double click it and it comes right back. And see, all my adjustments are still here. I don't have to hit Control Z. I don't have to undo and then go back and do everything all over. It's already here the way I left it. And it's great, I love it. So that's it for our vintage Technicolor look. I went a little further than I originally planned, adding the vignette and everything, but I really kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of extra that you can do to really make that photo pop. So with that being said, thank you guys for joining me. I am probably at some point going to make a preset for this, so all you guys really have to do is just apply it, or an action I should say. If you want to know more about Camera Raw, I have a whole video on it. If you want to know more about how I make my images really pop, I have another video on that. You can see it down in my playlist. I'm gonna link one right here in the video, and then there'll be one at the end. So please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of these videos. I'm always willing to make more. I'm always willing to study more effects and show you guys how I do them. And yeah, peace.